Jemi me pjesën e intervistave, kam pranë trajnerin e skuadrës Bashkimit zotrin Jankovic. Coach, first of all, congrats on this win. Not the best circumstances to end up a very beautiful match like this in the end, but when we see statistically it was a very equal game. What do you think were the small details that decided this win for your team?
Thank you for congratulations. First, a really tough game. Mentally, we saw that some of our players were under the pressure, and I think when you see statistics, first halftime, 3 threes from 17 attempts, disaster. So we see that we was a little bit under some pressure, but even Peja played really good, scored some tough shots. Even players who are not some excellent shooters scored tough shots. So game was equal. On the end, we have everything in our hands, but I think that their player Towns made a great three-point shot. We missed our chance to win it in the regular, but in overtime it was better and we deserve it. Unfortunately, this thing what happens, I'm sorry because of that, and I want to say sorry to team of Peja for everything of this. We will see what will happen, if will be some punishment or something, but we like the coaches and the players, we couldn't do nothing against that, so now it's just to focus on the next game in Peja and hope so to win there.
Okay, thank you coach for your time and good luck for the next.
Thank you very much.
Ishim me trajnerin Jankovic, i cili shumë mirë përmbledhi gjithë atë çfarë ndodhi në këtë ndeshje. Tha që Peja luajti shumë mirë në pjesën e parë dhe skuadra e tij Bashkimi nuk pati ta themi efikasitetin e duhur, sidomos nga distanca, duke shënuar vetëm 3 treshe në 17 tentime dhe në këtë aludoj që presioni ndoshta ka mundur të ndikojë shumë në pjesën e parë, por në pjesën e dytë paksa u liruan nga ky presion dhe arritën që ta fitonin këtë ndeshje. Po ashtu kërkoj falje për skuadrën e Pejës, normalisht për gjitha tensionin që ndodhi në fund të kësaj ndeshje, duke aluduar se si trajner dhe si lojtar normalisht ata duhet vepojnë në aspektin profesional dhe nuk mund bënin asgjë më shumë. Kjo ishte ta themi ai përmbledhja e prononcimit të trajnerit Jankovic, pas pak do të mundemi ta kemi edhe trajnerin nga radhët e Pejës.